guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mikaylah. If not, you know me. Today we're going to be reviewing the Laura Mercier Light Catchers. These are like a translucent powder but in like glow form, but they also do have a translucent glow, which I will get into what's different about them. But they come in 3 shades, pretty much for fair, medium, and deep skin, but you can use all 3 of these. I went to a masterclass and I saw how she used this one, and I'll just get into it because I'm not gonna do how she, I might do it. I don't know. It depends on how I feel, but I was so excited for these, and they sent like a cute little candle and everything. I'll put the PR package on the screen. It was so super cute. I love Laura Mercier PR, like it's just but I did do a masterclass, and let me just pull up the product. But first, subscribe to the button down below while I'm doing that, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I upload a video. And if you like this video at any point in the video, you know. So the light catchers are $39, and on Ulta right now there's a free gift, and it's only here. They come in 3 shades, like I said. This one is Celestial Light, which let me just go ahead and swatch them for you. Celestial Light is for fair to light skins. I just can't stop dropping stuff out. Like I was saying, Celestial Light is for fair light skin tones, and trying not to get too much. It looks like that. This is Celestial Light. It's not too icy, but it does fit. It's like definitely for light skin tones, but it's gorgeous. I'm gonna use this one today actually. This one is for my type of skin tone. This is Honey Star, and it looks like this. They look very matte in the pan, but it's like, in the container, but then you swatch it and it's like bam. There it is. I'm obsessed with these. Like, I've used it. I went out with it and I used it. Bomb, 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 bomb. And then the deepest one, which is Cosmic Rose. Cosmic Rose. And it looks like this as well. I'm just knocking over a whole bunch of stuff. I'm sorry, headphone users. And this one, I really want to use this on my sister so bad. And this one looks like this. It's not too deep, but it's deep enough for deep to deep dark skins to highlight with. You can, if you like a look, you can definitely use it all over your like on your face to set, but I'm not going to do that because I'm oily and I'm picky about that. So yeah, these are the swatches right here, and I really like that the caps look different from the regular translucent powder. I appreciate that because one time I put that glow all over my face and I had to redo my base all over. But let me get these swatches off. But the difference between the glow and these are that these have more pearlescent pigment in it. Reflex, they're more pearlescent than the glow. The glow is just a highlighter. I feel like it's just like your standard highlighter, honestly, and these actually catch the light and reflect the light different. I don't know, it has more dimension to it. I really like these better, way better than the glow, the setting powder, the translucent glow. I really like this one. This formula is amazing and I really like it. First, I'm gonna put Celestial Star onto my inner corner. If I can find a brush. Where's the brush? Okay, we're gonna be using the Sigma E30 brush. We're gonna get all that off of there, you know. Then we're just gonna dip into it, tap it off. Of course, can't have that. And we're going to put it in my inner corners. Oh, that's so pretty. I haven't done this before with this shade. Ooh, you see how, like, look at the difference of my eyes. Like, you can definitely see a difference. Like, it just catches the light so pretty and so beautifully. Like, I can't get enough of these, honestly, guys. And it doesn't look like, you know how metallics and like highlighters can look a little bit, you can see a cast, you can see a shadow, you can see where you placed it. These like melt into the skin because they're such a finely milled formula, and I am absolutely obsessed. Like, I am obsessed. Is my audio on? Yes, my audio's on. I was about to be mad. But let's highlight now because I need some highlighter on my face. We're gonna use Honey Star. We're gonna use Honey Star and highlight. And you do have to you can build this up. You can put it on very light, which I'm gonna show you. This is just a light dusting of it. You see how my cheek is like, you know, just blushed up, honestly. And it smooths my skin out so nice. That's just a light layer of it. And I actually do like having a light layer of it. My nose is running, but I do actually like having a light layer. This is the Moda eye contour brush. I'll list it down below, but I really like this for my cheeks. You can use I have a code with them, so you can actually use them too. But literally, I like to glow, y'all. Y'all should know this already. I don't have to explain myself. A look. Look at that. Look at the difference. Y'all need these. Like, I really like these. I love these better than the glow. Like, honestly, like, I am obsessed. I love using them in highlighter. Like, y'all know how I feel about highlighter. I get so excited about highlighter because I honestly love the shape of my cheeks. I know I have really fat cheeks, honestly, but I didn't blend out this right here, whatever this is. But I love this part of my cheek. I don't know why, it just holds contour, highlight, and blush so well. And we're just gonna, I take it under the eye as well so I can get a full glow. And if you're not, you know, deep dark and you have this, or you get this, or you want to use it somehow, use it as eyeshadow. But as well as eyeshadow, I forgot the makeup artist that, it was a professional makeup artist. I don't remember her name, but she was bomb. And she actually lightly dusted it on the contour, so it just like melts everything together. Like, this is Rose Glow. No, Cosmic Rose. Sorry, I'm thinking of the Rose Glow. I'm lightly taking it on the brush and placing it all over the highlight and the blush. I mean, over the contour and the blush. And we got a nice glow. I loved this trick. Like, this tip was like everything, and I really liked how it looked. I love my whole, like, my cheeks to be highlighted, but it's because it's like a darker shade than Honey Star, it really keeps that dimension, and I'm obsessed, y'all. Like, I think this is like maybe one of my favorite Laura Mercier launches, like, ever. But yeah, let me do my nose. There we go. And my forehead. But yeah, I know this is a short video, but I just want to get on here and show you these. I really like them. They have 12-hour pore blurring, skin smoothing, and no flashback wear. And it sets to prolong makeup, doubles the wear of foundation, which we all need in this heat if you're in a hot climate like me. It's flashback proof like all their powders. It's weightless, which it definitely is. It melts into the skin, which y'all see this. I'm not lying. Customizable formula, which imagine mixing all these three together. Perfect. And reduces and controls shine all day, which you want to be shiny, so I don't know. Maybe it just mattifies you while still being glowy. But yeah, I really like this. I don't know what my hair is doing. Don't mind me. But I really like this. It's really, I don't know. I'm obsessed. I cannot keep my hands off of these. Again, it comes in 3 shades. For fair. Fair is the Celestial Light. For dark to deep dark skin is the Cosmic Rose. And then for my skin tone, you got the Honey Star, which I'm obsessed with all 3 of these. As you see, I can use all 3 of these in some way, somehow. So yeah, let me know if you tried these and let me know your experiences with them. I really love them. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Sorry for the itchy scalp. I promise after this makeup look, you won't see no more of this hair because I'm getting it redone and I'm probably gonna go black. So yeah, see you in my next video.